Alright, something else I'm going to do today is upgrade the lights on the BMW. So these are the M901s, 35 watt driving light, adaptive driving light from AlienRider. And I just have the new M902s that I'm going to install. Now the factory told me that all the electronics and the, I really need to move that, it should not be on this electronics module. I'll put it up here. But all this stuff should work. The only changes between 901 and 902 are in the lamp module. So we're going to give that a try and let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the power cable. I have quick release mounting on these lights. So I'm going to take the key. It's not always easy to line it up. Okay, keys in. This will give us an idea how well the mounts are machined, because these aren't going to be matched. So the mounts I have on the lights are from another quick release kit. Okay. Dirty down in there. All right, new light on. Started no problem. I really like the lower, the smaller profile of these lights. Okay, that's pretty tight. So now we'll reconnect power. When I put these lights on, I wasn't really anticipating them being permanent. So my power wiring routing is not great. Don't follow my install. Okay, so power connector. Let's go do the other side. All right, same thing. We're gonna pull our power cable. And I'm gonna do this left-handed now. It's gonna be a trick for me. I'm gonna do it this way. There we go, it's easier. Brackets are interchanging no problem. So AlienRider really does a pretty good job of machining their parts. I've never really had an issue with their mechanical parts. Got a nice tight. Okay. And the power cable. Let's do it this way. And the key. All right, that light's in. Okay, so the light install is complete. Bike's installed. One installation note, I did relocate my gravity sensor back here on this frame bar, motorcycle facing forward. I have it on Velcro because I demo my lights a lot. I would advise you use the double-sided sticky to affix it. Ignore my poor wiring. I modify this bike a lot. So we'll turn it on now. And since we relocated the gravity sensor, I'll do a calibration by pressing and holding the automatic button till it flashes. There it goes. So now we're calibrated. I'll turn the lights on. There's the high beam, or excuse me, low beam, high beam flash. There's low beam flash, high beam only flash. And then we'll bring the lights back on. Now I'll demo the gravity sensor. We're going to lean to the right, little lean, a little bit more lean. And then we'll lean to the left, slight lean, bit more lean. Get the high beams and the high beam on auxiliary. So there you have it. I'm going to take these on a twisty road, nice dark twisty road, and we'll see how they do. But I'm pretty excited about these new lights from AlienRider. Very nice package, some improvements, and a bit brighter at 45 watts. So we'll get some video about with how they do on the road. Thanks for watching.